Greetings, Stewart families and students, and happy Friday. Here are your Stewart Elementary weekly updates for Friday, September the 25th, 2020. We had an excellent Scarlet Week here at school, and I know our Gray students have worked really hard at home as well as our remote students. We continue to do great things within the building, and students continue to do their absolute best, and we're very proud of them. We honored our first Vikings of the month today for our remote and our Scarlet, and our Gray Vikings of the month will be announced next week. So we're very excited to see who those award recipients are, and we continue to appreciate everyone's hard work and support. As a reminder, next week our Scarlet students will be at home learning, and our Gray students will be back in school. At-home packets will continue to be sent home for those at-home weeks, and they must be completed and returned the next week. That counts toward attendance, so make sure your students are completing those assignments. Parent-teacher conferences went very well for the first night, which was last night, and our second round of parent-teacher conferences will be on Thursday, October 1st. As a reminder, these are virtual conferences this year. Will be held through Zoom or over the phone. So it is not too late for you to sign up for a conference with your child's teacher. Please just contact them if you do not have one scheduled. We are now participating in the Fresh Fruit and Vegetable Grant Program. Stewart, along with several other Princeton buildings, are participating in this program. So what that means is that students will get a couple deliveries of fresh fruit or vegetables to take home with them each week. And we talk about those items at school, and we talk about their nutritional value and so on. And the goal of the program is just to expose students and have them enjoy some tasty fresh fruit and vegetables. Picture days are coming up, and just wanted to remind you of days and times. We will be sending flyers soon for you to order pictures for your child. That our Gray students will have their picture day on October the 15th, and it's also our remote picture day. Our remote students are welcome to come in from 3 to 4 p.m. on the 15th for their picture. And then our Scarlet students will get their pictures taken on October the 20th. Again, more information coming soon. This has been your Stewart Elementary Weekly Update for September 25th. Thank you for your continued partnership and support. Have a great weekend, and as always, go Vikes.